When I saw this YouTube channel, I thought it was a joke. In less than a year, it reached almost 300,000 subscribers and millions of views. So I went to Social Blade to research a little more about this channel. This channel only has viral shorts. Crazy. Obviously, shorts do not pay as well as normal videos. However, it is a way to get to your YouTube Silver Award very fast. Imagine getting it. Lastly, these are other analytics of this YouTube channel. As you can see, it was in June 2023 when it took off. So it is never too late to start. Today you will see how to create viral shorts about facts with an AI tool called Flicky. Link on the comment. So go to the comment and click on it. After watching the video, Once on this web, you will have to choose the most adequate option for you. We can see that there is a free one, but if you are looking forward to becoming a great faceless YouTuber, the standard may be better for you. When you have decided, let's create a new file. The name would be Shark Facts, but you can choose whatever you want. This is just a test. Delete the scene 1 because our file will be automatically created by artificial intelligence. Now go to Convert and choose Idea to Video. We will just give the idea to the software. As you can see, I am writing unbelievable facts about sharks, but I would like you to try any other idea and comment below how it goes. Now there are different types of styles, but here the explainer matches very well. This process will take less than a minute, while doing it manually could take hours. If you think this is amazing, just like the video and subscribe for more content. Now let's change the scale to a portrait, which is the short size. Now let's change the location of the subtitles because they look so weird below. So let's move them to the middle and change the color. I am also changing the font, the size, and the display to word by word. This is very common in shorts. This kind of blue matches very well with the background. Finally, this first scene looks so repetitive and boring, so I will find a better myself. Just go to Layers and search any of them. This one looks great. Let's see this. All right, I am going to change the second layout too. This one is perfect. Take popcorn and let's see the final result.
Unbelievable facts about sharks. Meet the ocean's most fascinating creature, the shark. A king under the sea with over 400 species worldwide. Did you know? Sharks have been around for 400 million years, even before dinosaurs. Sharks are more than just predators. They're also scavengers, clearing the ocean of dead and dying fish. Contrary to popular belief, most sharks are not dangerous to humans. Only a handful of species have been involved in attacks. Finally, sharks have unique superpowers. They can sense electromagnetic fields and vibrations, making them incredible hunters. Dive deeper into the world of sharks with us.
To be honest, this looks very nice. Imagine creating 100 of these videos and publish them during a month. Let me know if you want me to try, or even if you will do it. As you have seen, I have made the video a little bit shorter to get more audience due to retention time. And finally export it. So that's it. Finally, I would like you to see my other videos in order to get more knowledge about AI tools and YouTube automation. Thanks for watching. See you soon.